Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to use the law of sines to solve this triangle. You're given that angle A is 75.1 degrees. Length of side A is 12.5 and the length of side B is 9.7. So I'm trying to draw a picture here, A, B, and C. So angle A is 75.1. And the side opposite it's 12.5, and here's angle B, the side opposite's 9.7, and you want to find, well, angle C would be here. There's only one solution here. You have this angle, you have this side and this side. Since this side A is greater than B, there's only one solution. Okay. So I can use law of sines. We know this ratio here, and we can find angle B since we have lowercase b here. So sine of A over A equals sine of B over B. So at capital A here is 75.1 degrees, lowercase a is 12.5, and lowercase b is 9.7. So I multiply both sides by 9.7. I put this in the calculator. I get 0.7499 equals sine of B, and then B equals inverse sine of 0.7499. Make sure you're in degree mode when you're doing this. It'll be very important to be in the degree mode. So B comes out to 48.6 degrees. And then you can readily find angle C because the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So 180 minus the two angles we have gives you angle C, which is 56.3. And so now you can come over here. I didn't finish it, but you can put the 56.3 here. A, you can put the 12.5 here, and then capital A, the angle, you can put the 75.1 here, and solve for C, the last piece that's unknown. Hope this helps.